Biofighter is a biological product based on EPN technology. The mass release of these microorganisms provide an efficient way to control soil-borne pest attacks on a variety of crops without any harmful effects. It is an eco-friendly alternative to reduce the use of harmful chemical pesticides. White grub larvae are harmful to the crops and feed on the roots of the crop. The EPN nematodes in the biofighter collectively take advantage of the soil moisture to move towards the larva, and naturally it enters the larval body. Once the biofighter EPN nematode enters into the body of the larval pest, the EPN nematode release the insect killing bacterium in the larva's stomach and it gets multiplied rapidly. After growth of insect killing bacterium in the stomach, the larva gets killed. In this way, the white grub larva gets destroyed. The biofighter EPN nematodes are released back from the killed larva and it continues to search for other remaining larva pests to kill them. The biofighter is a unique EPN gel-based formulation. It is not only effective on soil-borne pests but also effective on leaf-eating larval pests of the crop. Being an organic product, it does not harm the birds. Biofighter has effective control on soil-borne insect pests in just 48 to 72 hours. Biofighter is a 100% organic and eco-friendly product. Biofighter is recommended for all crops, including vegetables, cereals, fruits, sugarcane, potato, pulse crop, and ornamental crops. Method of application: Biofighter is applicable through foliar method, drip method, and drenching method. Dosage: 1 kg Biofighter is sufficient for 1 acre farm. For foliar spray or soil application, mix 100 gram of Biofighter in 20 liters of water. For drip application, mix 1 kg of Biofighter in 200 liters of water for 1 acre farm. Apply near the infested zone of crop plants.